How to disable Instagram account. Now that is what I'm going to show you guys in this step-by-step tutorial. It's actually not that hard to do, so just follow along and yeah, you'll be able to disable your account. So the very first step is simply to click on the bottom right corner and go to your profile. Now then once you are here, click on the top right corner on these three lines and open up the settings and privacy. Now over here at the top, you can already see Accounts Center. Now that is because I have the updated settings already. Let's say you still have the old settings, then you simply want to scroll down, and then somewhere at the bottom, you will also see Accounts Center, I believe. So once you click on there, you'll be in the Meta Account Center. You want to look for personal details, and then here to account ownership and control. Now, if you have the old settings, then this will all look a little bit different as well. So you basically just want to look for account ownership and control. And then here you can actually click on deactivation or deletion. And then select either one of these two, because I have a Facebook account connected to this as well. But I want to click my Instagram account. Then here, I can actually deactivate my account. Now, deactivating your account is basically disabling your Instagram account. So that is exactly the same. You want to click on continue. And then here you want to fill in your password. And then you will be able to disable or deactivate your Instagram account. Now, make sure to not log back in whatsoever, because logging back in will immediately reactivate your Instagram account. And then you will have to wait a week before you can disable or deactivate it again. So keep that in mind. Make sure to not log back into your account on any device, or else, yeah, that will happen. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.